Digital art forms introduces iMedic, a more effective approach to 3D medical visualization. CT, MRI, and other 3D image capture technologies are increasingly pulling medical visualization into the third dimension. This pair of tracked controllers lets users reach into space to navigate through and manipulate complex anatomy for close examination, planning, and education. Digital art form's two-handed interface changes the way radiologists and surgeons interact with their data. Unlike mouse or touchscreen-driven systems, iMedic tracks the user's hands in 3 dimensions, moving one-to-one with their motions. Left and right, up and down, in and out, plus orientation. Holding down a button locks space to either or both hands, allowing the user to push, pull, rotate, and scale the world. With just a few simple gestures, you place yourself anywhere, looking in any direction and at any scale. A 3D panel presents checkboxes, sliders, and other widgets for controlling iMedic's visual quality, as well as many other aspects of the system. The toolbox is attached to your hand, so it's always there when you need it. Axial, sagittal, and coronal slices present anatomy in well-understood frames of reference, and radiologists generally favor these standard layouts for identifying abnormalities. But once pathology has been located, it can be useful to freely rotate the cross-section to explore and better understand shape and structure, especially when features aren't conveniently oriented to the standard planes. The filter box declutters crowded visuals, maintaining enough 3D context for structures that fall outside the box, while highlighting important features of those that fall inside. Virtually any rendering style is possible inside and outside the filter box. Shaping and placing the filter box is simple and quick. In combination with basic two-handed viewpoint movement, iMedic provides extraordinary control. This same action would be extremely awkward and tedious with the mouse or touchscreen. In a major study for the U.S. Army's telemedicine group, the two-handed interface was shown to be 4 to 5 times as fast as a mouse in performing the fundamental 3D tasks of object manipulation, viewpoint navigation, and spatial reasoning. Some advanced CT colonography tools pre-compute the bowel's centerline. Other visualization tools support different navigation modes for different anatomical topologies. iMedic gives you powerful yet general navigation through tight spaces and around hard-to-reach objects with no special casing and no pre-computed paths. Placing yourself in the exact right 3D vantage point is critical for many procedures. Here we enter the trachea to measure for a stent. Following the left bronchial tube, we size up the opening where the air passage narrows. These are just a few examples of iMedic in action. There are many other features that support countless uses. iMedic will be released in December 2011. Visit the Digital Art Forms website for more information.